Hey coders, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are talking about how you can create your own apps for Google Assistant and Alexa. So guys, before I started my video, I give you an introduction of me, who I am and why you should learn with me. So guys, I am a freelancer and I'm working with different companies and different clients for Google Assistant and Alexa apps. So yeah, I'm building Alexa apps from past 2 years, and I have some experience building those skills and things. So I share my all experience with you guys in this series. So this was my first video in this series, and this video is just information, not any coding thing showing in this video. But in next videos I show some coding things and other things also, so you learn better. So I share my computer screen with you, so you can do things with me. So guys, my English was not very well, so if I make some mistake in communication to you, then please forgive me about that. But I try to improving my English speaking skills. So guys, my first point was, if you came here, so you know what is Alexa and Google Assistant. But for those who don't know what is Alexa and Google Assistant, then I tell you that Alexa and Google Assistant was a voice enabled apps. So you can perform any task like set an alarm, or do any kind of work, order food and anything like that with your voice. So who developed those apps? Like Alexa and Google Assistant not develop those apps by themselves. They give an access to developers, so developer can develop apps for them. So like if more developers make apps for their platform, then their platform is growing bigger. So right now the bigger platform is Alexa. So Alexa having many apps, many we not call them apps, we call them skills. So for Alexa we call them skills, and for Google Assistant we call them actions. We can create any apps, like we can create food ordering apps, we can create cab books apps, we can create a simple app like tell a joke. For example, I created an app earlier that was bro jokes. So if you want to use this app, then you just need to open Google Assistant and say, hey, talk to bro jokes. So that will tell you a joke. And for Alexa, I create an app called Advice Guru. So if you go to Alexa and say ask Advice Guru for an advice, so it will give you an advice. So it was random. I use an API, third party API, for doing this kind of job. So I fetch the advice from there and show it to my skills. So I in this series, you know how you can call APIs from the apps. So guys, you want to know that what kind of tools you need to develop those apps. So you just need a code editor, that was VS Code or any third party tools like Sublime, and any text editor. If you already using any text editor, then you can also use that text editor, no problem. So yeah, so for this tutorial I'm using VS Code for doing this. And what coding language you are using to develop this? That was Node.js. So I'm using Node.js for developing this skills. And if you know Python and any other kind of language, then you can also do that. For creating skills, cross platform skills, I'm recommend to use Node.js. Node.js is the best language for Alexa and Google Assistant app building. So guys, the next question was where you will host those codes. So guys, we are in this tutorial, we are using AWS Lambda function and Google Cloud function for host those codes. So guys, those platforms are free of cost. So there is something like 1 million request free for new users and other users also. So that will not cost you any money with this starting. So if you growing rapidly, like your skills will getting more invocations, like 10 million or 20 million invocation, then you will have to pay some little money, not very big money, just little money. So I'll explain the pricing also in the next videos. So the next question was why you should learn those skills, like for making app for Google Assistant and Alexa. So guys, these skills are very important, and in the freelancing world, more clients are coming and there and asking for creating this kind of apps, and the developer was limited. So in India we don't have more developers in for Google Assistant and Alexa. So if you guys started this thing, then you will attract more clients and get more pays for doing this kind of jobs. So guys, the next question was, is there any scope if I learn those skill? Yeah guys, there is many scope. Like the voice platform is growing right now. Like you creating apps for Android and iOS, that was a separate platform, and voice was a separate platform. So there is a two platform famous for voice enabled apps like Alexa and Google Assistant. So guys, you will get more benefits in future. So in India currently we don't have Google Home and Alexa dot in our homes, but we have in our phone. So in Android app there is pre-built Google Assistant thing enabled. So you just have to press power button and you have a Google Assistant. So just think about this. You have many phones in all over the world, many Android phones. So we all have access to the Google Assistant. If we develop for Google Assistant and Alexa, then you will reach to a new audience. So that was a new for my next video. You have to subscribe my channel, so go down below and subscribe my channel. I will upload my second video in 2 to 3 days. So guys, for now, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, go down below and like this video, and if you want to share, then you can also share this video for your friends, and if you have any questions, then you can ask also in the comment section below.